everyone. Today I am going to show you how to delete contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking. So the first thing to do is to simply launch your WhatsApp application, but make sure that you're using the latest version of this. In order to do that, you have to go to your Google Play Store and then type WhatsApp, and you can see their update button. All you have to do is to tap that one and make sure that you have updated this application before you start using it. Okay, so go to your WhatsApp application now, go to settings, tap privacy, scroll down until you see this block contacts. Tap this and you can see the people or the friends that you have blocked on WhatsApp. Now the question is how to delete contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking them. Because if you block someone and if you want to unblock them or if you want to delete them, you need to unblock in order for you to delete this. So how are we going to delete this contact without unblocking them? This is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to simply open the conversation of this person you blocked on WhatsApp. Open this person's conversation or your conversation, or you can simply search the person's name and then long press, and you can see their options like delete this chat. So you have to tap this delete this chat, and all of the chat, the conversation will be deleted, as same as the person's contact. Also, aside from that, you can simply exit this application and then go to your phone settings. I mean, the contacts here. Type the person's name, tap this one, and then tap these two dots here, and then click delete contact. And that way, you delete the contact on WhatsApp without unblocking them. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.